What is the difference? Lay versus expert witness testimony. Imagine sitting in a courtroom where a case hinges on complex technical details or specialized knowledge. You might wonder who is qualified to explain these intricacies and how their testimony differs. Understanding the distinction between lay witnesses and expert witnesses can clarify how courts gather and evaluate evidence in such situations. A lay witness is an individual who provides testimony based on their personal observations or experiences related to the case. These witnesses are not trained professionals or specialists in the subject matter at hand. Their role is to recount facts they directly perceived, such as witnessing an accident or describing the condition of a product. For example, a person who saw a car crash and describes what they saw is acting as a lay witness. Their testimony is limited to what they directly experienced and cannot include opinions or interpretations beyond their personal knowledge. In contrast, an expert witness is someone with specialized education, training, or experience in a particular field relevant to the case. Their role is to offer opinions or interpretations that can help the court understand complex or technical issues. For instance, a forensic accountant might analyze financial records to determine if fraud occurred, or a medical specialist might explain the severity of injuries based on their expertise. Expert witnesses are permitted to provide opinions, draw conclusions, and clarify technical details that are beyond the knowledge of the average person. The criteria for qualifying as an expert involve demonstrating relevant credentials, such as degrees, certifications, or extensive practical experience. Courts evaluate whether the expert's knowledge is sufficient to assist in understanding the evidence or determining a fact in issue. Their testimony must be based on reliable methods and principles, and they are often subject to scrutiny through a process called expert witness voir dire, where their qualifications and methods are examined. In summary, the key difference lies in the scope of their knowledge and the nature of their testimony. Lay witnesses provide factual accounts based on personal observation, while expert witnesses offer specialized opinions to interpret complex evidence. Both types of testimony are vital in helping courts reach fair and informed decisions.